here at Oseligee Creek, we just finished the latest install of a Chattahoochee Aquatic Sensor System Integrated, what we call CASSI. We're installing this unit here near the confluence with the Chattahoochee River in partnership with the City of West Point and the Charter Foundation. This location was picked specifically because it is right near the intake for the City of West Point's drinking water. So we installed a turbidity sensor and a few other water quality sensors to really try to get an idea of what's going on here at this creek and what kind of impact is that having on that intake, and also help us try to pinpoint where the sedimentation is coming from. Just make sure everything's on here good. So what this unit does is it relays all of that water quality information in real time to a cellular network every 15 minutes. And it's really helpful right now, especially with teleworking. So this is our CASSI device that we're looking to install here on Oseligee Creek. Basically this is the box with the brains. Inside we have our board, our battery, and all the communications are in here in double case for double waterproofing. And then that connects to our turbidimeter here and our connectivity meter. And to keep everything charged, we just have a basic solar panel. It's a pretty basic device, but it works really well, and hopefully we can get her installed here.